Well, good morning, good morning, good morning. I need to button my button. Guess what we have today? Can you see it? It's right there. We have an unboxing. It is Christmas again, a birthday. Welcome, everybody. Father Fish here. And today we have a new, what do I call it? It's a new delivery, a delivery of new fish. Now, these are some fish I've been looking for a while, and have kind of postponed getting. They're really they're housekeeper fish. They're fish needed in order to be able to maintain the long term stability of your tank. So let's get right in it. We've got staples on the top. Oh, that's good. That's going to be, oh dear. They're going to be, there, got them. One, goodness sakes. Okay, did I get it? I got it. Invoice. Let's see what we got here. All right. Put my glasses on. I can read it better. Striata botea. A really pretty botea. Botea are not so much a cleaner fish. They're a bottom feeder. They're just a really cool fish, and I like them. And I got some striatas. They've got a lot of fine vertical lines in them. Pygmy corridoris. Got a bunch of pygmy corries. Stirby corries. One of my favorite pretty corridoris. Farlowella catfish. You know, the farlowella is a good algae eater, so I'm excited about getting these, and I hope to be able to keep them alive. They're not easy to keep. What is rubber pleco? This is the rubber lip pleco, one of the best cleaner plecos there is. They're great for algae cleaning, great for general cleanup, great for keeping the glass clean. They're just a hard-working little fish that doesn't quit and does a really good job. The rubber lip pleco. Then I have Paradisynclus britsky. We'll show you those. Did we get them? No, we didn't get them. They got scratched. Well, no britsky. Assorted rabbit snails and tiger nereids. And then we got a couple of guppies, a couple of pairs of guppies. These are metallic snakes in. Last week I was supposed to get a pair. I got two females. I've still got them, so I just got two more pair. We'll see how they go. And that's it. All right. Let's see what's in here. A knife somewhere. There we go. Okay. Like the ice pack slid to the side. And it's still cold, which means it did not get hot. So that's a good sign. All right. First out of the box, oh, look at these guys. Look at these guys. These are the Farlowella catfish. Can you see that? Sort of. There we go. Come on. Show yourself. They'll land on the bottom. There's one. There's two right there. Gee whiz. There they are. Hard to find, aren't they? Farlowella catfish. Okay. They're going to go, I'm going to split them up. One in each of these two tanks. Okay. This is the metallic snake skin. That's a pretty fish. Look at that. That's a pretty fish. It's the male. That is nice. It's like a Moscow. They call it metallic. I'm not sure why. Boy, it is jet black. Oh, I do see. Yeah, it's got some iridescence on it, right around the base of the tail. Well, that's a pretty cool fish. We got a bunch of those. Here's that's the female. Remember, we got two of these last week, so we're going to work on these, see if we can get them, so we can turn them into a decent population of fish. Try to get a tank full of them going. We now have four females and two males. Okay, these are nereids. Yes, these are tiger nereids. Tiger nereid has stripes. They're all different kinds of nereids. There are even rainbow nereids. Now, they've never come into the States, but I have a friend who was a Filipino, and he went back to the Philippines and went to a fish auction where they were selling rainbow nereids, and he had pictures of them. They had stripes like a rainbow of different colors, reds and blues. Beautiful, beautiful little snail. Okay, these are zebras. I don't know. They're kind of tiny. Might not really be able to see much on them. And where am I going to put these? Good question. Put a few here and a few here and a few. Whoops. A few here with the angels. What else? I'm using my box. Come on, boys, get with it. Okay, what is it? Oh, wow. These are rabbit snails. Love rabbit snails. Look at these guys. I have a bunch of them, too. Look at that. Is that cool or what? Rabbit snail. What do we got? I got a bunch of them. 3. Okay, let's do 4. Look, that one's really smooth. Like an auger. There's 4. These are, right. These are different kinds. You can see the texture on them is very different. I think I only got 2 different types. I decided to get the mix because it was cheaper per, but it looks like that did not include any of the more expensive ones. I just got the cheap ones, but that's all right. They're pretty cool, and we'll be happy to get them going and maybe even be able to get them spawning. Let's see, 2 here and 2 here. And we just drop one on the floor. We'll go in there, and that's that. And what else we got? Something else here. Something murky. Murky it is. This is the rubber lips. And they look like they're in trouble. I need to get them out of here. I have trouble keeping this box from falling over. Let's see, I need a container. Ugh. Wretched. There may be some dead ones in here. I don't know. Let's see. Lower lips. Let's do 4 of them in here because I got a lot of problems in this tank. Where I bought 6, so it's going to be 4 in there. Then we'll do 2 in here. One looks like, I don't think any are dead. One is dead. That one is dead. For sure. So we did lose one. Well, looks like. Yeah. Yeah, Megan. Oh, we got two more here in the bottom. Let's see. I think one more is dead. Yeah, that one's dead. This one, it's alive. Let's put him down there. Okay, dokie. Gonna get it all, I guess. Get that out of the way. All right, well, that's interesting. Now, the guppies, I gotta let them loose. We do have these farlowellas. Let's check these out. This see if we can spot them. What I want to do here is I want to split them up. Look at that. Farlowella. Okay, one there. And one there. And let's hope they make it. There's a rubber lip. There's the farlowella. Okie dokie. We'll see. That's it. All right. Thank you, guys. Nice to see you all. Let's see. Today is Thursday. I'm going to post this right away. We'll be on tomorrow evening, live streaming tomorrow evening. Got a couple of really cool new videos out. Make sure you check them out. And come on over to Discord. We got a party going over there. A lot of fun, a lot of talk, a lot of fishy talk, and some other stuff too. It's fun. Join us on Discord, and you'll find the link almost everywhere. Love you all. See you Friday night. Bye for now. Father Fish here, saying keep it fishy. Bye-bye.